Hello beautiful! Today I'll show you how to become a real kitty cat for Halloween. So stay tuned if you're interested. Like every other time, let's begin with applying a primer to our lids. The next step is the brown smoky eye. Using a flat shading brush, apply the eyeshadow onto your brush and dab the eyeshadow onto your lid. You don't want to blend the eyeshadow at this point of time because you might get a huge fallout. Once the brown eyeshadow is applied, take a fluffy down brush and blend the harsh lines. Also apply the same brown color to your lower lash line. And finally, add some black gel eyeliner to your waterline. Now let's move on to our kitty cat mask. First, apply your white foundation all over your face with an exception of nose area. In my opinion, it is quite challenging to apply white foundation because at some point of time it starts looking uneven. Therefore, I strongly suggest applying it either with dabbing or with short stroke motions. Once your white background is ready, start creating the brown details of your cat mask. To be honest, I was copying the pattern of the real cat and it really helped creating more or less realistic look. Therefore, I applied brown foundation to the nose and forehead area. I turn your attention to the fact that you don't want to blend your brown foundation too much at the beginning because it might mix up with a white one and you would need to apply several layers to achieve the right color. Once your first details are ready, go on to the next ones. The cat I was copying had some pattern under her eyes, close and under her mouth, so I'm adding some brown color to those areas too. Now we have so much going on our face that it looks more like a skull than a cat. All you need to do is blend your brown details to make them look less harsh. The next step is adding some small details to our look to make it seem like a real cat. Using a large wet foundation brush, apply a bit of black cream color to your forehead. Because the bristles of the brush are wet and thus separated, it helps creating detailed fur hairs that look so natural. Depending on the area of your face, you might want to switch brushes and colors to create those small fur hair details. And as you can see, I'm adding some white and brown colors to my eyes and nose areas. Fur details can also be added with the help of a fan brush. I use it to add some white fur hairs to my nose, cheek, and my mouth areas. Okay, so here comes my most favorite part and it's the cat mouth. I always find this so adorable. Basically, I'm using a black cream color to create the needed lines. Then I'm adding some lipstick to my lips to make those look natural and cat-alike. And finally, I'm adding those small dots / areas from where a cat's mustache would grow. And that's it. Here's the final look. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Post your comments, requests, and video responses below. Also, I would love to know what you are planning to be on this Halloween. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other Halloween tutorials. Stay always happy, healthy, and beautiful, and see you next time. Bye.